Hello students, how are you? In this class, I will teach you what is budget line or price line. It is most important of your class. It is most important chapter of your class. Chapter 3, Theory of Consumer Behavior. Okay. Last video I have discussed what is indifference curve, properties of indifference curve, graph of indifference curve, theory of indifference curve. Each and everything I have discussed in the last video. In this video, you will know about what is budget line, okay, or price line. At first, I am going to tell you what is the definition of budget line. Please see it. A budget line is the real purchasing power. Real purchasing power. Okay. Suppose your income is 10,000, you will have to spend. Okay. You will purchase anything from the market within 10,000. Okay. Within 10,000, not more than 10,000. Okay. So a budget line is the real purchasing power. Real purchasing power with which he can purchase quantities. Okay. He can purchase anything from the market. Okay. With his purchasing power. If his income is 10,000, then he will purchase within 10,000. Okay. Not more than 10,000, because his purchasing power is 10,000. The quantities of two goods. Two goods means what? Is X or Y, given their prices. Okay. Before going to discuss budget line, and at first you will have to know about what is budget set. What is budget set? We will know about. So what is budget set? Budget set is the combination of two goods. Budget set shows the combination of two goods. What is two goods? Suppose goods X and goods Y. It shows the combination of two goods. It is called budget set. Okay. Before discussing a budget line, I will discuss budget set. Okay. Budget set. This is budget set. Combination A, B, C, D. Goods X 0, 20, 40, 60. Okay. I have taken number by my own ways 0, 20, 40, 60. Okay. Then my income is Y. Income Y is equal to 60. My income is 60. PX rupees 1. PY rupees 2. Okay. If goods X is 0, then what will be the goods Y? Goods Y will be 60 divided by 2. 60 divided by 2. Okay. 60 divided by 2, 30. Okay. Here is 20. You have already spent the money of 60 minus 20. Okay. You have 40. So 40 divided by 2. 40 divided by 2, 20. Okay. Here is 40. From 60, you have already spent the money 40. Then 60 minus 40, you have 20. The 20 divided by 2. Here 10. Okay. Then here is 60. Okay. You have spent 60. Then you don't have anything. Here you will write 0. Here. Then I am going to discuss this table by this equation. Y is equal to Px Qx plus Py Qy. Okay, I am going to prove it. Suppose Y is equal to 60. Px is what? 1. Here you write 1. Okay. Qx is, suppose I am taking C. Okay. I am taking C. Okay. A, B and D I am not taking. Just a C number. This C. Okay. So Qx is what? 40. Qx is 40. Qx means quantity. Py is 2. Qy is 10. 40 into 1, 40 plus 10 into 2, 20. 40 plus 2, 60. Okay. This is a question. Understand? Clear? whenever you will do each and every, whenever you will put each every part, okay, every number, then you will get 60 over there, okay, because your income is 60, you will have to spend the money within 60 or till 60, okay. Now we are going to make the graph, okay, of budget line. At first we have made the table of budget set, then we will make the graph of budget line, okay. This is the graph of budget line. How will you make? I am going to tell you. Here is 30, here is 0, okay. Here is 30 and here is 0, okay. So here is 0, 30, okay. Clear? Complete. Suppose here is goods X is 20, goods Y is 20. The goods X is 20 and goods Y is 20. So I think we will put here, okay. Goods X is good X is 20 and good Y is 20. Good X is 20, good Y is 20. Here to complete, see, good X is 40, good Y is 10. Good X is 40, okay, and good Y is 10. Then you will write here, okay. D 60, 0. So this is 0 and this is 60, okay. Then we will make graph, okay. This is our budget line. This is the, it is called budget line or price line. It is called budget line or price line. This is the graph of budget line. Please see it. We can say the line. It is K, it is H, okay. It is K, it is H, okay. We cannot purchase more quantities. Suppose our income is 10,000, then you will have to purchase within 10,000. We cannot purchase more than 10,000, okay. So this is the line of budget. What is the line? This is the line of budget. We cannot purchase more than 10,000, okay. This is our line, okay. We will have to purchase within 10,000. We will have to purchase, this is K, we cannot purchase more than 10,000. Here is 10,000, it means more than 10,000, okay. It is not possible. If our income is 60, then we can purchase within 60, not more than 60, okay. Clear? Please see it. Next, we will know about what is income increase. Suppose our income is 10,000, then I will have to purchase with anything from the market within 10,000. If my income increased, okay, I am earning more than 10,000 rupees, I am earning 1 lakh rupees per month, then I will our purchasing power will high. I will purchase more and more quantities from the market, okay. Then it was my budget line, okay. It was my original budget line, okay. I was purchasing, my income was 10,000, but now my income increased, okay. I am my purchasing power increased, okay. Then my budget line will shift here from here to here. But this is budget line. My budget line, purchasing power, my purchasing power increased, so I will purchase more and more quantities from the market, okay. It was my budget line, but now my income increased from 10,000 to 1 lakh rupees, then my budget line will be changed, okay. This is our budget line. This is our new budget line. Clear? Please see it. Clear? See here. Now my income decrease. I was earning 10,000 rupees. Now I am earning 5,000 rupees. Then whenever my income will increase, then I will my purchasing power will decrease. Okay. First point. If second point, goods costing rupees high. the cost of goods y of rupees high, then obviously if my income is 10,000, purchasing power will obviously low if any product cost will be high. Okay, see here, this is our budget line. My income was 10,000 rupees, then it was our budget line. My income decreased, so it is not possible to purchase more quantities because X price increase. Okay, X price increase. Okay, suppose price increased. Clear? This pen cost is 20 rupees. Now its cost is 100 rupees. Okay, then I will purchase less quantity. Clear? So it will decrease. Okay, it was your original budget line, but now budget line decreased. It is called shift in budget line or increase or decrease in budget line. Clear? In this video we knew what is budget line, table of budget line, graph of budget line, each and everything, definition of budget line. In this video I have already discussed it. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Please see it.